Okay, Sophie, first thing to pick out of this for you are the variety of connectors that you've used. Despite, but, okay, you're not suddenly in there, when, okay, despite again, okay, there's an and, another when, right, okay, there your connectives out the way. Alright, now where you've used this, you've also started to do a complex sentence as well. Remember, the first thing to spot are your two verbs. Alright, so we know this is a complex sentence. Here you've accurately marked your comma. Overall, you haven't. Here's another example where you should have. Even though this wolf is vicious, comma, it eats squirrels in the morning. Okay, so that's another point at which you need a comma. So it's known as commas around your clauses. Okay, so commas around.
Mr. Perkins, can they drop this on Mrs. Mill's desk?
That was Mrs. Clark coming in the background. It's fine, let's carry on. So commas around clauses, that's where we were, wasn't it? Okay, they have to be accurate in order for you to make sure that this is secure. Okay, the other thing, language in this is brilliant, but it's essentially you slip into being a story. At no point, if I was writing a non-chronological report, would I use speech. Certainly not direct. Okay, so just as an example, this should be only about what it eats. Absolutely nothing else. Okay, only what it eats. Okay, so this bit at the top does well. This bit about squirrels, okay, and then you get a bit about plant. Every day before this, the wolf goes for its polishes its diamonds. The diamonds are kept under his bed. Does that relate to what he eats? No. Wow, this wolf is certainly looking for his prey, quoted the little boy. You don't want to quote, really. Even though the wolf hates people, he didn't eat the little boy. Suddenly, everything was quiet and not a sound. The wolf stared at a squirrel. The wolf caught his eye on the squirrel. It's just a little bit story-like. I don't think you completely go into a story, but you do it in this paragraph, and you do it in this one about Professor Dave and Plum. I think it's Plum, isn't it? Yeah, Professor Plum. And you just need to watch that. If I've asked you, or if anybody asks you to write a non-chronological report, that's what you have to write, and that's the style you have to stay in. So I think with you, because you really think that's a quick win, this is what I want you to work on for next time.